Hey everyone, let's talk about the best ways to fly a drone in the snow. Drone shots in the winter can be really cool, but there are a few extra steps you should take to fly in these colder months. So here are 6 winter flying tips to make sure your drone flies safely and properly. The first tip is to check weather conditions before flying. It is crucial to always check the weather conditions before taking your drone out for a spin. Winter weather can be unpredictable, so make sure you're aware of the wind, temperature, and any potential snow or rain. It is strongly advised to not fly while it's snowing out because it can greatly affect your drone's performance in the air. It's also important to know how cold your specific drone can fly in. I have the DJI Air 2S, and the coldest it's rated to fly at is 0 degrees Celsius or 32 degrees Fahrenheit. This goes into the second tip, which is to warm your batteries up and bring extra if possible. Cold temperatures can significantly drain your batteries faster than usual. To combat this, warm up your batteries before heading out. You can do this by storing them in an inside jacket pocket or placing some hand warmers or gloves in your camera bag. Also, bring along extra batteries to ensure you can keep flying even if the cold weather impacts your battery's performance. Next, don't let freezing temperatures hinder your controls. Invest in a good pair of touchscreen compatible gloves. This way you can use your phone or the built-in screen without exposing your hand to the cold. It's all about staying comfortable while capturing those stunning winter shots. The fourth tip is to avoid direct contact with snow as much as possible. Wet conditions can damage your equipment, so choose a takeoff and landing pad, or hand launch and hand catch your drone. This also ensures the propellers don't clip any snow as well. Now after we've gone through the pre-launch checklist, it's time to fly your drone. As you take off, hover your drone and slightly move it around for about 30 seconds at a low altitude. This allows the motors and components to warm up gradually, reducing the risk of any sudden issues during flight. Lastly, keep your flights shorter than usual to not push your drone's limits in the cold. Since the batteries won't last as long, try not to fly too far so you can plan on returning your drone back to you at around 50% battery. This is also good for checking the propellers and battery every 5 to 10 minutes to make sure everything is working properly. And there you have it, our top 6 tips for flying your drone in the winter. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future drone tips. Also, if you have any more winter drone tips, please leave them in the comments below for others to learn and stay safe. Until next time, blue skies, stay warm, and safe flying.